If we're given an expression such as y equals x cubed minus 4x squared, we know that we can differentiate to find the gradient function, which would be 3x squared minus 8x. But it's possible to differentiate dy dx again, and if we differentiate again we get this expression d2y dx squared. So differentiating dy dx gives us d2y dx squared. We simply differentiate the expression for dy dx, so differentiate 3x squared and the minus 8x. If the expression were expressed in the form f of x is x cubed minus 4x squared, then when we differentiate for the first time we get f dashed x, and if we differentiate again we get f double dashed x. So it's a different notation, and f dashed x is equivalent to dy dx, and f double dashed x is equivalent to d2y dx squared.